In this video, I will show how to enable Canadian aboriginal syllabic supplemental fonts on your Windows 11. So firstly, click on this Windows icon, search here optional features. This one. Then here you will see view features, click on it. And in this list you will find here Canadian aboriginal syllabic supplemental fonts. Select it. Then here click on next. Then here click on installed. So this way guys, you can install and enable Canadian aboriginal syllabic supplemental font in Windows 11. Once this complete, restart your system.